This is Boots from cyborgteam.com. Today I got a mechanical keyboard here from Amazon. This is the Pictek 60% mechanical keyboard. Now, $30 is pretty good for what this gives. So this keyboard has Bluetooth wireless, 2.4 gigahertz wireless, clicky blue tactile switches, detachable USB-C cable, supposedly has 16 different lighting modes with 8 different colors. That's a lot for $30. I had keyboards on the channel already that cost more than that and didn't have all this stuff. So let's look at this box here. Wireless multi-mode keyboard. Their little symbol reminds me of the Tesla symbol for some reason. Anyway, this is model number PC335A. Pretty small box, nothing special here. Let's crack into it. All right. First is your keyboard there, wrapped up. And inside is our USB-C cable. Nothing special there, just a plain old plastic or rubberized cable. I'll put that to the side. Onto our keyboard here. Here's our little manual. Now, see what we got. Okay, this thing is very lightweight. Okay. Not too bad. So, this is obviously the all black version with some white legends there. Like I said, it's very lightweight, but I like the design of it. It has like this kind of like a sloped, almost like a pyramid kind of thing. So it has a floating keycap style, so you'll be able to see those RGBs nice and bright, hopefully. And look at that on the back, kick up feet, 60% wireless keyboard, kick up feet, Bluetooth wireless. So it says 2.4 gigahertz. So where's my little dongle at? Is it in the package here? Oh, it's in the package. Look, I missed it. Look at that. So let's pull everything out the bag here. There we go. So now on the side here, we got a spot for our USB-C cable. And this is where we'll turn the keyboard on or off wireless. This is where we'll select if we want this in 2.4 gigahertz or Bluetooth 1 or 2. So you'll be able to connect this to two Bluetooth or pair it to two Bluetooth devices simultaneously. That's awesome. So with the kick up feet, puts it at a nice height there. So let's go ahead and connect this up. First, we'll plug it in via USB in case it doesn't have any charge. Let's plug this in. Okay, straight away, the RGBs kick right on. Not the brightest I've seen, but let's see if we can get them a little bit brighter. Function 2, F12, gives you brightness. We'll let you control the brightness. You hear them clicky blue switches already. Nice and tactile, but that's about as bright as it gets. Let me see if I can cut the lights off here. And that'll give you a better look at that. All right, well, those were the lighting effects. Slightly underwhelming because of the brightness of the backlight, but hey, it's there. It's RGB. Everything there works. Can't complain about it too much. $30. So what I do want to do is pop off one of these keycaps and see what brand switches we got here. Otemu box blue switches. Okay, so kind of what I expected. Real quick, let's do a quick typing test here and see how responsive this thing is. Okay, so not a bad typing experience at all. One thing, there's a lot of echo. Like when you hit the keys, I don't know if it's coming through in the mic very well, but there's a big echo that comes through. So it's just telling me that this plastic body is pretty hollow. But other than that, not too bad. It's what I expect from OTEMU box switches, especially the clicky blues, but very satisfying to type on. Tactility is great. The click is very audible. So if you like that kind of thing, hey, there you go. So now I want to test out the 2.4 gigahertz dongle mode. So our PC picks it up right away. Now we turn this on, and then 2.4 gigahertz, which it's already there. And now we do another typing test. Okay, that seems to work flawlessly. And again, I'm only about 2 feet away from where it's plugged in at, but that's working pretty well there. So now let's try it out in Bluetooth mode. So we'll go to Bluetooth 1. Nice, easy switch. These switches over here, it has a satisfying lock-in mode. Like, so when you switch these, it has a nice click. You know it's locked in. It doesn't feel loose or cheap. All right, now I should be in Bluetooth mode. Let's do one more typing test. See what happens. Again, works pretty flawlessly. I didn't have any mistypes. It didn't skip any letters. It works pretty flawlessly. $30. I'm actually very impressed with everything it has. Look at that. Kick up feet, Bluetooth, 2.4 gigahertz, detachable cable. I have not seen all of that in one package for less than $50 before. So Pictek 60% wireless mechanical keyboard, model number PC335A. Am I lying? Am I lying? PC335A. Pretty good. So, just for my quick inspection here, my quick overview, I love this. $30 seems kind of like a steal. It's all plastic build, but it's minimalist. That is a minimalist thing here. Only thing I do not like is this logo right here. I don't need all that right there. They could have put that on the front, on the deck here, maybe on the side. On the bottom, I definitely wouldn't mind. On the bottom, you just got, your typical, FCC stuff. That is the Pictek mechanical wireless 60% keyboard. Click the links in the description. Hit me up in the comments if you have any other questions about it. But I'm going to wrap this one up. I'm out. Catch you later.